In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a document on Zoom. We'll walk through the entire process using the Zoom web app and the in-meeting chat so your participants can easily download the file you share. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Zoom. This is the quickest way to get to the official site without typing the full address. When the results appear, click the official Zoom link. If you see ads or look-alike results, double-check the URL to make sure you're heading to the legitimate Zoom site before you sign in. Next, log into your Zoom account. Use the same account you normally use for meetings so your settings and contacts are available. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual. Once you're in, look for the navigation menu and click Web App. The web app runs right in your browser, which is convenient if you don't want to install anything or you're on a shared computer. Now, start a meeting. You can launch a new one or join a scheduled meeting where you need to share the document. When the meeting window opens, look along the bottom control bar and click Chat. If your window is small, some options may be tucked under a More menu, so expand that to find Chat. This opens the meeting chat panel on the side. Inside the chat panel, choose where your document is stored. Zoom lets you pick from OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, or Microsoft SharePoint. If it's your first time connecting one of these services, Zoom may ask for permission to access your files. Approve the prompt for the service you use, and you'll be able to browse your folders directly from the picker. Find and select the document you want to share, then click Choose or Select. Take a quick moment to confirm you've picked the correct file and the right version before you continue. A clear file name helps your participants recognize it instantly. Once you share, the file will appear in the meeting chat. Everyone currently in the meeting can see it and download it from there. Keep in mind that participants who join after you've sent the file won't see that earlier message. So if someone arrives late, just share it again so they can grab it. It's a good idea to mention in the meeting that the file is in the chat, and leave the chat panel open so you can answer any questions about access. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and fast.